What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean and maintain the Beko CEG5311X bean-to-cup coffee machine. Following my initial review, I've received a lot of questions asking how to clean and maintain this coffee machine. This short tutorial will demonstrate each of the steps required to maintain and prolong the life of your machine. This coffee machine has 11 display icons on the control panel. 5 of these icons are used to operate the coffee machine, and the remaining 6 indicate the need to empty, refill, or clean different parts of the machine. In order to maintain your coffee machine, you must recognise each of its components. Pause the video here and take a moment to become familiar with this diagram. Each of the steps in this tutorial can be found within the user manual, and I will include a link to this in the description below. But without further ado, I will start with the first of 6 maintenance indicators, the water indicator. This indicator will illuminate when there's not enough water in the water tank, or if the water tank is not installed properly. To refill the water, simply lift the tank using the lid as a handle, refill and replace. The water tank holds 1.5 litres and should only be refilled with fresh, clean water. Make sure the tank is securely positioned on the machine and check that the water indicator light has gone out. Next, the bean indicator. This indicator will illuminate if there are not enough coffee beans in the container. The container holds 125 grams of coffee, which makes approximately 15 cups of espresso. To refill the container, simply remove the lid and refill with beans of your choice. Within the bean container, you will also find the grind adjuster. Simply turn this to adjust the grind. Next is the grounds indicator. This indicator will illuminate when the grounds container is full. Simply remove the external drip tray, slide open the internal drip tray and remove the grounds container. Empty the grounds and wash the container thoroughly. Make sure that you dry the container before returning to the internal drip tray. Reassemble the coffee machine and the grounds indicator will turn off. Next, the brewer and service door. It is recommended that the brewer is cleaned monthly. To do this, ensure that the appliance is switched off. Remove the service door to expose the brewer, and remove the brewer by pinching the 2 orange buttons together and pulling the brewer towards you. Rinse and thoroughly dry the brewer before reinstalling. Make sure that you remove any surplus coffee grounds from the brewer housing. The brewer and service door will only illuminate if the brewer or service door is not installed correctly. If this is the case, remove and reinstall the components until the indicators turn off. When cleaning the brewer, I usually also clean the steam nozzle. To do this, remove the metal cover by pulling downwards and twist the bottom plastic nozzles to the left. Rinse the nozzle thoroughly and dry before reinstalling. The descaling function will illuminate when the machine has detected the need to undergo self-cleaning. Before descaling, ensure that the water tank is full and that you have added your descaling solution. Make sure that a suitably large container is positioned beneath the coffee spout and steam nozzle. To carry out descaling, hold down the power button and strong espresso button for 5 seconds until a beep is heard and the descaling button starts to flash. Press the strong espresso button once to confirm descaling and allow the machine to carry out self-cleaning. This takes approximately 5 minutes. You will need to refill the water tank once the water indicator starts to flash. Once descaling is complete, the machine will turn off automatically. The last indicator is the empty system function. This is to be used to drain the system if it is to be stored or transported. Before emptying the system, make sure that a suitably large container is positioned beneath the coffee spout and steam nozzle. To activate the empty system function, hold down the power button and mild espresso button for 5 seconds until a beep is heard and the empty system light is flashing. Remove the water tank and the machine will empty its water content via the coffee spout and steam nozzle. Once complete, the machine will switch off automatically. I have now demonstrated how to maintain the CEG5311X bean-to-cup coffee machine following the 6 maintenance indicators. I hope this short tutorial has been useful. For more of the latest tech reviews, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Have a great day.